There's one thing I've learned running businesses now for the last 8-9 years. Been self-employed, taking care of myself through my own business, is that what's up all my overcomers out there? It's your boy John. Check this out, man. We're doing big things all the way up to the top, boy. Got Big Jose on the water fed pole. You know, back when I used to do small little projects, you know, things didn't really work out too well. But, you know, just want to let you know, you might be in a tough spot right now. You know, you're trying to get your business moving. It's 2020. You want to make the right moves, but you're not really sure, you know, what to expect. You know, what are you going to expect this year? You know, you started your business, or maybe you've been in business for a while. Okay, you've been in business for a while. You're trying to get more contracts, and you don't really know how that's going to play out. You don't know how that's going to work. You know, or maybe you have the opportunity to work with a big building. Look at like Big Hose. Look at Big Hose doing this thing. Look at that shit. It's crazy, right? Well, maybe you have the opportunity to work with some large commercial contracts, right? Or maybe you want to move to Hollywood, right? You see Hollywood right up here? You see it right back here. You know, I don't know what that looks for you right now. I don't know, you know, what you got planned, what you got going on. You know, but one thing I do know for sure is that it's a marathon, not a sprint. Okay, you got to keep showing up, man. You know, I know you want things right now. You know, you want the business to work out right now. You want things to work out. You want the money. You know, you want the recognition. You want your parents to, you know, say good job, pat you on the back. But sometimes it doesn't work that way. You know, sometimes you gotta pay your dues. You gotta put in the work. You know, you gotta keep showing up every day, even when you don't want to show up. There's one thing I've learned running businesses now for the last 8-9 years. Been self-employed, taking care of myself through my own business, is that not a lot of people actually succeed in business. You know, it's a rare commodity these days. You know, it's rare that you're able to start a business and actually, you know, have the profits and have the luxury to be able to, you know, run your business and have employees and actually have a functional, profitable business. You know, it's just not easy. You know, it's kind of hard. You know, I'm in the service business. I do pressure washing. I do window cleaning. We do construction cleanup. We do a lot of stuff, you know. These are actually some of our contracts back here. You can see them. You know, we're about to bid on this project here and this one right here. But it wasn't always like that, you know. I remember when I was in the ditches, barely doing $3,000 a month. Or even before that, you know, I remember when I was young, you know, I was 16, 17 years old, you know, doing drugs, hanging out with the wrong people, no mission in life, high school dropout, you know, destined for nothing, destined to really do nothing with my life. You know, teachers told me I was going to be a failure. Everybody told me I was never going to amount to anything, really. You know, I was the kid that went to school sagging my pants down to his knees because I wanted to be cool. You know, a lot of people say don't hang out with the wrong crowd, you know, because you'll be influenced. But I was the influencer. I was the bad guy. But you know what? You change, man. You change. You know, when I turned 18, I found that I wanted to do something with my life. I wanted to put more energy into my life. I wanted to have more prosperity. I wanted to live long, and I wanted to have a good life while I'm on this planet. I didn't want to not have, abundance. I didn't want to not have abundance. I wanted abundance. I wanted prosperity, man. So, I know that's something you want too. I think originally when I first started my business, I did it because I wanted to prove people wrong. I wanted to prove my family wrong. I wanted to prove everybody wrong. I wanted to show them that, hey, look, I'm worth more. I could do more with my life. I'm able, I'm capable, I'm ready, I'm capable. But slowly that turns into new motivations. Like, what? I think I wanna make a lot of money. I wanna have nice things. And then your why shifts even more, where it's like, what? I wanna help people. I wanna contribute. You know what I'm saying? So whatever your why is, just have a reason why you're showing up every day. Have a reason, and something preferably that can last a little while. Something that you feel in your gut. You're like, man, if I could just do that, and get excited about it. Get excited that, hey, if I'm able to achieve this, or get this car, or live in this house, or have this family, have this life, something that inspires you. Maybe talking to people one day, helping them. People looking to you for answers. Looking for you to contribute back to the world. You know what I'm saying? It just depends. Just depends what you want for your life. But all I can say is keep showing up, keep putting in the work. It's not going to happen overnight. You're going to have a lot of work to do. You got lots of work to do, lots of challenges to overcome. It's a 10-year play, at least. And even once you get to 10 years, you're still not going to have it all figured out. So if you're under 30 right now and you're working hard, or you're just over 30 and you're like, man, what's this life really about? What's this business thing really about? I'm here to tell you, you can make your life anything you want it to be, but you got to keep showing up. You got to keep putting in the work. You got to face the large commercial contract like Big Ho's down here, okay? And look it in the face and say, I'm gonna take you out, dog. I'm gonna take you out. I'm gonna handle. Anyways, I hope this helps you. I hope this message finds you well. And man, it's all possible. It's all possible.